In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a slide in Google Slides. This simple guide will walk you through the process, making it easy to manage your Google Slides presentations effectively. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to use your Google account credentials to access your presentations. Simply click on the Google Slides link and you will be directed to the sign-in page. Enter your email and password, and once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you have a couple of options. If you're starting a new presentation, you can click on Blank Presentation to create a fresh one. Alternatively, you can also select a template from the options available. However, if you're working on an existing presentation, simply locate it from your list of presentations and click to open it. Remember, whether starting new or accessing an existing presentation, the steps to delete a slide remain the same. Now, with your presentation open, look over in the left-hand pane. Here you'll see thumbnail previews of all the slides in your presentation. This pane is your navigation panel, where all slides are listed sequentially, allowing you to jump between slides or perform actions such as duplicating, rearranging, or, for today's focus, deleting a slide. To begin with the deletion process, click on the slide you wish to remove. Be careful to select the correct one, as deleting a slide is permanent, though Google Slides does offer an undo function should you make a mistake. You'll know the slide is selected when it is highlighted. With your slide chosen, turn your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Here you'll find the Edit menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list where you'll find the Delete option. Alternatively, after highlighting the slide, you can use the delete key on your keyboard for a quicker removal. Either option will remove the selected slide from your presentation. For those using touchscreen devices, touch the slide you wish to delete and look for a delete icon or option in the context menu that appears. Tapping this will have the same effect as the previous methods. Once you've deleted the slide, take a moment to review your slides to ensure everything appears as you intended. Should you decide that you've removed the wrong slide or change your mind, remember that the undo button is your friend. You can find it in the standard toolbar and can use it to revert your last action. And there you have it, an easy way to manage and delete slides in Google Slides. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one.